Good day everyone. Today, we're going to discuss about progressivism philosophy in education. But before we proceed, allow me to introduce myself. I am Rodolfo Valenzuela Ibias and I'm here with my partner, Roa Emanuel. We are here to help you understand more about progressivism philosophy in education. Progressivism in education is all about making learning exciting and hands-on. It believes that students should discover, think critically, and get actively involved in their education. In this discussion, we'll explore what progressivism is, how it changes teaching and learning, and why it matters in today's world. It's like a modern ways of learning that keeps education fresh and engaging. At the end of the lesson, the student should be able to comprehend the fundamental principles of progressivism in education, investigate how progressivism influenced both students' learning and teaching approaches, recognize the importance of progressivism in equipping students to navigate a constantly evolving world. But before we continue to discuss what is progressivism, let us first define what is progress. Progress is defined as movements towards a refined, improved, or desired state. In education, progress refers to a student's grasp or essential knowledge and educational skills. Now, what is progressivism? Progressivism refers to an educational philosophy and approach that emphasizes learning-centered instructions, active learning, and the development of critical thinking and problem solving. It is based on the belief that education should be relevant, engaging, and focused on real-world applications. Progressivism encourages teachers to tailor their instruction to the needs and interests of their students. It emphasizes the importance of the hands-on activities, group work, and projects that allow students to actively engage with the subject matter. This approach promotes student autonomy, collaboration, and creativity, fostering a deeper understanding of the content. Progressive educators advocate for the integration of real-life experiences, current events, and practical examples that the curriculum. They believe that learning should be connected to the students' lives and experiences, make it more meaningful and applicable. This approach also encourages students to think critically, question assumption, and develop problem-solving skills.
The role of progressivism in education. Number one, student-centered learning. In progressivism, schools like a place made just for you, where you get to learn in your own way. Number two, hands-on and experiential learning. It's like learning by fun. It's not about boring stuff. It's like playing games while you learn. Hands-on, exciting, and never dull. Number three, critical thinking and problem solving. Think of it like becoming a detective who loves solving mysteries. Learning is your superpower. Number four, adaptability. It's like getting ready for an adventure. You'll be prepared to handle whatever life throws your way. Number five, democratic values. Progressivism is like progressivism in school is like your training ground to be a great teammate, respecting others and working together. Number six, teachers as facilitator. Imagine your teachers as a friendly guides on big exploration. They help you find cool things to learn. Number seven, assessment for learning. Um, Test and homework are like practice rounds to help you improve, just like practicing your favorite sport. Number 8, lifelong learning. Always love learning. Progressivism keeps that feeling of excitement alive. You'll always be curious and eager to learn new things. Number 9, relevance. It's like everything you learn is like a piece of a puzzle, and you get to see how it fits into the real world. Number 10, innovation. You're always getting better. It's like playing your favorite game and constantly finding new, exciting ways to win. Progressivism in education is all about making learning fun, meaningful, and personal. It puts you, the student, in a driver's seat. You get to explore, think, and solve real life problems. It's like learning by doing. Plus, it helps you become a good thinker, adapt to changes, and stay curious about the world. It's all about preparing you for real life and keeping education exciting and useful.
So we have here the three proponents of progressivism. First, we have John Dewey. Second, we have John Jacques Rousseau. And the last one is William Herd Patrick or William Kilpatrick. So, John Dewey was an American philosopher and educator who was a founder of philosophical movement known as pragmatism, a pioneer in functional psychology and a leader of a progressive movement in the United States. John Dewey believed that people learn best from social interaction in the real world. He believed that book learning was no substitute for actually doing things. John Dewey said that education has life itself. Jean Jacques Rousseau. Jean Jacques Rousseau was a philosopher, writer, and composer. He supported education in nature away from the city and the influences of civilizations. Rousseau maintained that people are good by nature and that society is responsible for corrupting the child's interest, as opposed to a written set of guidelines would give the curriculum. Lastly, we have William Herd Patrick. William Herd Patrick is an American pedagogue and a pupil, a colleague, and a successor of John Dewey. He believed that the role of teacher should be that of a guide as opposed to an authoritarian figure. So according to the pedagogic theory of John Dewey, a systematic conceptualization of the process of education and condition of human development in both the individual and the societal life sphere. This theory deals with processes of upbringing, teaching, learning, and social and cultural development. So, why pedagogical knowledge is important? Pedagogical knowledge is important because teacher can apply educational theories, best practices, and techniques to teach their subject effectively.